Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, November the 19th, 2022. Today is actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, in the yesterday's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition, November the 17th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. It's time for the third one, the Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this Suguru will be number 5511. 5511. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. Cannot believe this. A lot of printed digits. And it's indicated with 1 star. So for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Only one single box. Do we have dual boxes then? Yeah, we see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Quarter boxes. I see here a quarter box there. So a quarter box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. And these 4 boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1, the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. For the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Okay. More quarter boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this one. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one? Yeah. Only one shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 there. Alright. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These are 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. These wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think, well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes, these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then let me see. 3. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 and the well. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. With 21 printed digits. Cannot believe this. A lot of printed digits. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will meet you later in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, yeah, the quintuplets. I will do a speed test. See you then. Bye bye for now.